Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Bluetooth headphones low quality sound Windows. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth. Right-click Bluetooth device, disable device. Click Yes to continue. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Sound. Select Show Disabled Devices and also select Show Disconnected Devices. Select Bluetooth headphone, click Set Default, click Properties, click Enhancements tab, check Disable all enhancements, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.